Hello students, welcome to another video of Dr. Short's classes. So as you know that we are solving the ACET paper of June 2022, and we have already solved up to question number 40, and we have covered the mathematics and the statistics part. So from this question number 41, the section of data interpretation is starting. So we will solve this data interpretation question one by one. Okay. Let's write it in a data interpretation. Okay, so let's start with this question. What it is saying that the following table gives the cumulative frequency distribution of sales in rupees of two outlets 1 and 2 of a restaurant chain. So answer the questions 41 to 44 based on your interpretation of the table. So we will solve this 41 to 44 question based on this table. So as you can see in the table, so let's start with the question number 41. So it is given the proportion of days having sales at least 50,000 in outlet 1 is, so here you can see that at least 50,000 is given. So we will go with this, the less than 50,000 means at least 50,000 or much less than that, but it has to be at least 50,000. So this is 25, and you can see that less than 1 lakh it is 50 and less than 20,000 is 5. So the number of days here it is even given for the outlet 1. So the number of days which sells at least rupees is 50,000. It's not given whether it is rupees or not. So 50,000 rupees though. So in at least 50,000 in outlet 1, this is going to be 50 minus 25. That is going to be 25, right? So we have to find the proportion of the days. So the proportion of days is simply, so the proportion of days, it is going to be 25 by 50.25. okay, so that is 25 by 50 is 0.50, my mistake, sorry. So here you can check with the options, that is the correct option is 41C, 0.50. So this is question number 42. The same table is given over here. As you can see, the question is stating that the percentage of days having sales less than 40,000 in outlet 1. So it's a straightforward question. So you have to find the percentage of days with sales less than 40,000 rupees in outlet 1. So it is going to be, as you can see, less than 40,000, that is 18. So 18 percentage of this total is 50, as you can see over here. The highest number is 50. This percentage means divided by multiplied by 100. So it's going to be 236. So the percentage of days having sales less than 40,000 in outlet 1 is 36. So the correct option is option A. So this question number 43 of the following table has been given the same. So it's stating that the proportion of the days having sales rupees 20,000 or more but less than 50,000 in outlet 2. We have to find this in the case of the outlet 2. So what it will be, so the proportion of days with sales of rupees 20,000 or more but less than 50,000, but less than rupees 50,000, where in outlet 2, okay, so this is going to be 28, as you can find it over here. In outlet 2, that is 28 for less than 50,000, or the sales with 20,000 or more, number of days is 8. So 28 minus 8 divided by 50, right? So it is going to be 20 by 50. We have to find the proportion of the days. So here the final answer is going to be 0.40, right? So if we check with the correct option, so that is going to be option B, that is 43B. Now coming to question number 44, it is given that which of the following is true. So the table has been given, this is the cumulative frequency distribution of cells of two outlets, that is outlet 1 and outlet 2. Okay, so here it is 4 options are given, so we will check with one option at a time and we will see which one of this following is true. So let's start with the option A first. So it is given the percentage of days having sales at least rupees 70,000 in outlet 1 is more than outlet in is more than that in outlet 2. Okay, so then we have to find the percentage of days, right? So first we have to find for this outlet 1. This for the outlet 1, and then you have to find for outlet 2, right? So for the outlet 1 having sales less than 70,000, here you can see that it is 50 minus 40, the 70,000 is 40, so we have this 50 minus 40 by 50 into 100, the percentage of days is given, so here it is 20. And in case of outlet 2 we have this 38, so here it is 50 minus 38 by 50 into 100, so here it is 12 into 2, that is 24. So A is not the correct option because 24 is greater than 20, right? Now check with the option number B. So in B it is given that the percentage of days having sales at least 30,000 in outlet 2 is more than in outlet 1. Similarly, you have to find the percentage of sales. So first you have to find the outlet 2 and then we will go with the outlet 1. So outlet 2, so we can also write it outlet 2 in this manner. Okay. So outlet 2 is equal to, so having less than 30,000, at least 30,000. So here it is at least 30,000, the 50, this number of days is 15, so 50 minus 15 by 50 into 100, right? So it is going to be 35 into 2, that is 70, and percentage of sales in this particular outlet 1, so that is going to be 12, so it is 50 minus 12 by 50 into 100, which is going to be 76, right? So the percentage of days having sales at least 30,000 in outlet 2 is less than outlet 1 because 70 is less than 76, and here similarly we have this 24 is greater than 20, right? So that's why it is not possible. Option B is also incorrect. Let's check with the option C. So the percentage of days having sales less than 60,000 in outlet 1 is more than that of outlet 2 by 10%. It is already given. Okay. So option C, the percentage of sales, percentage of days, we have this, right? We have to find this, the percent of days with sales less than 60,000 in outlet 1. First we have to find the outlet 1. So it is going to be 35. Here you can see. So we will have this 35 by 50 into 100, that is 70, right? And in case of outlet 2, it is 32 given. So outlet 2, okay, so that is going to be 32 by 50 into 100. It is going to be 64, right? So the percentage of days having sales less than 60,000 in outlet 1 is more than by outlet 2 by only 6%, but here it is given by 10%. So it is also incorrect. So let's check with the last option, that is option D. So it is given the percentage of days having sales at least 50,000 but less than 80,000 is same for both outlet 1 and outlet 2. So the percentage of days from this in the range of 50,000 to 80,000, right? The same for both outlets. So first of all we will find for outlet 1. So outlet 1 is going to be 50 to 80. So 28, 45 for 2 and 42 minus 25. Okay. So this is going to be 42 minus 25 by 50 into 100, right? So it is going to be 34, and similarly it's going to be 2 and 70. Okay, yeah, right. And for this case outlet 2, we have this 45 minus 28 by 50 into 100. So that is going to be also 34. So here you can see that the correct option is D, because it is same. Okay. So the percentage of the days having sales at least 50,000 but less than 80,000 is same for both outlet 1 and outlet 2. So for question number 44 is the correct option is D. So with this this is the first question based on the data interpretation. In the next video we will continue with question number 45. See you in the next video.